Okay, so I wanted to make a follow-up video on this waverunner for the top end rebuild that I did to it. So I videotaped the whole everything I did to rebuild this engine, along with if you're probably here to see the rebuild after the teardown video. So unfortunately, I don't have any of that footage. About 2 weeks after I rebuilt this, we're in September right now, and July, I rebuilt it July 15th or something like that. 2 weeks after that, I got in a wreck on my Harley. I hit a deer, and I was in an induced coma for 3 weeks. Broke my back, 9 ribs, both clavicles, scapula, and my phone got busted in the whole thing too. So I lost all that footage, but I do have this back together and it's running, and I rode it for those 2 weeks. Like I said, I had the footage of it, but the whole accident happened, and I got pretty hurt out of the whole deal. I don't know. I'll turn this towards me. You can see my back brace that I have to wear. To wear this back brace for several more weeks. But this is back together. I'm going to start it up, let you hear it. I'm going to hook up this. This goes right into here, so you can run it out of the water. And I'll run it for a little bit, and I will also show you the torques I used for the heads and everything, because I bought the book specifically for those torques. So hopefully, it went back together the same way it came apart, except opposite order. So let me get the book down, and I'll show you the torques, and hopefully it helps you. Okay, so here are the torques that I used. Let me see. Cylinder block bolts, I believe I did 29 foot-pounds. And then the exhaust, let's see. The exhaust chamber stay bolt, 34, and I believe they're all numbered in the order. I can't remember. It's been literally 2 months since I did this, but let's see. Yeah, there's 1, 8. So you just torque them in that sequence: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In that sequence. And then these are the where it mounts. These were the 34 foot-pounds. But let me get the water hooked up, and I'll start it up. I put several hours on it since I rebuilt it. The hardest part I had was getting the actual new piston and rings into the actual cylinder. That was the hardest part I had about the whole thing. Everything went back together really easy. It's not a hard job. So let me get it fired up, and I'll let you hear it run. Okay, I have the water turned on. Go ahead and start her up. Maybe let it warm up a little bit. it's running pretty good. And sorry I didn't have any other footage for you for this rebuild. I much would have rather not wrecked and put the footage up, but it is, you know, it is what it is. It happened, and you know, I'm recovering from it. So thanks for watching this video. Might be boring, but hopefully you got at least the torques that's supposed to be out of it. Thanks.